Good morning, class 12th. We are going to have a recap of poster making today. We have already done posters, so let's have a quick recap of it. What is a poster? Poster is a pictorial, I would say, representation of any appeal or any information that you make. Okay? You have to make sure that the message is conveyed very properly. Okay? Then it can be an appeal, an important announcement, advertisement of a product, or it may be for bringing out the public awareness about anything like saving trees, saving electricity, or it can be regarding eye donation or blood donation, anything regarding like this. Now, posters are used by artists, filmmakers, advertisement agencies, then political parties, religious organizations, and NGOs to portray the need of something or to convey a thought. Then government departments like public relations, health and family welfare development, education department, environment protection and conservation agencies also use posters. Like it can be saving electricity, like I gave you the example earlier. Then groups or agencies for public awareness. In public awareness, it can be about anything like taking care of the stray dogs, for instance. Now, objectives of the poster. First objective that you have to do is that you have to make it in such a way that the target audience that is targeted very well, means whatever you are writing, it is focusing on the audience for which you are making it. Then it is a very powerful mean of visual publicity, so it should be catchy. Like if you go on the road and you see any hoarding which has only written things, you don't you can say go for it then. But if you see something, a nice picture over there, and you are inquisitive to find out what is it about, then you will read about it. So visual appeal is also very important. Next is, it can also convey an effective message. So when you are making a poster, you should be very careful about it. Then it can also be for any public invitation. Like if suppose we are organizing a fete and we make a beautiful poster and it is displayed in the various corners of the city. So the entire city comes to know about the fate of Tender Hearts School. Like that. Okay. Then contents of the poster. First thing is the topic of the poster or the theme should come over there. Then details associated with it. Suppose it needs details like if like I gave the example of the fate. So date, time and venue should be over there. Then catchy slogans. That is very important. If you do not use catchy slogans, the poster becomes boring, children. Like I have told you in class 11. You have to use catchy slogans. Suppose it is like some sale is going on. So you can write bumper offer or dhamaka offer, something like that. You can use some words of Hindi as well for getting better marks. Then it should have a purpose or occasion. You cannot draft a poster without any reason. Then if it is whatever the thing is, like if it is an invitation, if it is about any public awareness, that should be properly highlighted in your poster. Suppose you are talking about like I gave the example of our school fete. Suppose we are talking about a school fete and we are not inviting the people, we are not writing an open fete. So people will think, okay, the event is happening, it is for school children itself. It is not open for all. So this is very important that you are giving the proper information in proper font size. Suppose you have written an open fete in the smaller font. Nobody would be able to see it. So it should be written in somewhere in the cloud or somewhere very catchy, very bright color, that place. But remember children, we do not suggest to use any colors in board exams. Why? Because it will waste a lot of time. So the trick is that you have to use different fonts, different designs using your pen only. No other color except your blue pen. Okay? Then name of the issuing authority, school, etc. Suppose it is organized by someone, then that organizer's name. Suppose it is about road safety. For example, wear helmets. It is about that. So you have to make sure that you are mentioning issued in public interest by traffic police. Okay. Then when you talk about expression, then arranging and putting the subject matter in visually appealing sequence. It should be like, suppose you are writing the name of the fate, it should be big. Then where it should be bigger. At, if you are using the preposition at, suppose, you need not write it bigger. Okay. Then appropriate language. You cannot write it in long sentences. What you have to do, you have to use short catchy phrases for it. Creativity and originality, that is always there. Then should be clear and easily readable in the communicate and is able to communicate the intended message. The message that you want to convey is able to do so. Then layout should be widespread, eye-catchy and visually appealing. Sketches, illustrations, drawings can also be made. But I would suggest, if you are not good at drawing, don't go for that. You can use simple signs. Suppose if you are talking about smoking, for instance, what you can do, you can just make a cross over there with the help of the bones structure. It is easy to make. You need not have any artistic skills for that. Otherwise, you can, if you are good at it, then you can go ahead with that. Then word limit must be observed. It is a 50 words answer. So you should not do like you are wasting too much time in making it. Then there are definitely two type posters. One is for publicity, like you see the hoardings where it is about any jewelry shop or anything else. And the other one is about conveying any information. It can be any public awareness. It can be any mega event. It can be any social issue as well. Okay. Now I am going to show you a poster over here. Let's have a look at this poster. Now just see, this sample is given over here. Okay. It's CP plus. It's about intelligent security systems. Then the key features are given there, children. I have taken a PDF, so you cannot zoom it properly, but you can see like the brand ambassador's photo is there. What is it about? That instrument is there, like it is about CCTV, so CCTV is there. Then what they have done, they have named the firm in bigger font. Then the key features come over here in smaller font. Then more pictures of CCTVs and the partners over there are given. So this way it will be given. Fine. I will be discussing the questions in the next video. Stay updated. Thank you.